The place that makes your blood is not your heart. Most people believe the heart is where blood is created, but that's a misunderstanding. The heart is only a pump. The true blood-making factory is hidden deep beneath hard bone. It is bone marrow. Inside your bones exists a soft, sponge-like tissue that almost no one thinks about, yet it works non-stop, silently supporting your life. Every single day, your bone marrow produces billions of new blood cells. Red blood cells deliver oxygen. White blood cells defend against viruses and bacteria. Platelets rush to stop bleeding and repair damage. What's truly astonishing is this. All of these cells come from the same origin: hematopoietic stem cells, the master builders of your blood system. You can imagine bone marrow as a top-tier medical university. Each stem cell begins with infinite potential. Some specialize into oxygen couriers. Some become immune soldiers. Others train as emergency repair engineers. This process is not random. It is tightly controlled by signals from your body. When you bleed, sensors detect the drop in blood volume. Instantly, the marrow increases red blood cell production. When you catch a cold, white blood cell production surges to fight infection. When you get cut, platelets are dispatched within seconds to seal the wound. All of this happens automatically, without pain, without noise, without rest. But even the smartest factory can be damaged. Chronic late nights disrupt production rhythms. Excessive alcohol and toxic substances directly harm the core production lines. Radiation and chemical exposure can damage blood cell genes, sometimes with severe consequences. And there's something most people don't realize. Not all bones create blood. After adulthood, the marrow inside long bones, like the arms and legs, gradually becomes yellow marrow, mainly for fat storage. The real blood-making powerhouses are the pelvis, spine, ribs, and sternum. These areas contain red bone marrow, and they will work for you for your entire lifetime. Protecting bone marrow isn't complicated. It simply needs the right environment. Adequate sleep keeps production signals stable. Protein and iron provide high-quality raw materials. Sunlight supports vitamin synthesis. Regular exercise improves circulation. Avoiding unnecessary toxins protects the factory's safety. From the moment you were born, your bone marrow has worked without pause, creating blood, delivering oxygen, fighting infections, and building your immune defenses. It never complains, it never asks for attention, but it deserves your care. Now that you understand this, take a moment to thank the most loyal partner inside your body, the silent factory that protects your life every single day. And it deserves your care.